What's good, everybody? We are on the charts this morning. I'm running a little behind right now, and it's 9:26 Eastern Standard Time. The market is about to open in 4 minutes. I had already jumped into a trade this morning already because I had a whole vision for this video that I was going to, start my new funded account, and this was going to be just my progression through passing that account. But when I got on to my Topstep account, I realized that I already had an account open that never I didn't fail it or I didn't pass it. Like I was like $80 away from failing that account. So it's $50 to reset. So I was waiting for the reset to happen this month. And then I saw that the notification came through that I had reset my account. And unfortunately, I still never failed the first account. So I'm kind of stuck with this $80 account. But on a good note, on a good side, I think I'm up right now on the trade that I took. I'm up $237 right now on that account. So I kind of have a little bit of wiggle room now. So if I close out this trade right now, I will I'll probably have like a $350 little threshold to play with. But honestly, I'm going to just let this trade run out because I really don't even care about this account. I'm going to just leave this trade open. And yeah, just see where it takes me. That's now. This is a terrible way to start this video, honestly, because that is not the mindset you should have when trading. I haven't been trading that long. It's been about 2 years now. I started out trading options and got into that, but I found out about this funding account through my boy. He put me on. And hopefully in the future, I'll have some videos on here with him and us, trying to pass the account together. But it hasn't been the cleanest journey. Let's just put it that way. Of course, it's been some ups and downs. You guys that's watching this probably know, what that's like to start this journey and to be in this journey. But so back to my bad, I'm rambling or not. Back to hopefully I'll get better with these videos too as I shoot these more. But back to why I took the trade. So I saw that, like I was saying, on Friday I saw the strong push up. So I'm like, hey, maybe we are at all-time highs here. Is nothing to the left of this. Even on the S&P 500, I think we aren't at all-time highs. S&P 500. Yeah, we actually are at all-time highs. So realistically, like if I was investing or if I was taking like a long-term trade, I probably would be interested in on my options account. I would be interested in taking some puts here because I already saw a strong rejection off of this level here. We kind of broke down almost $12, $10, $12 off of here. So I would think that maybe we could come back lower, and I see we have a gap here. Probably try to fill this gap before we continue back up. But also looking at the trend, we are trending upwards. So it's still kind of bullish. So this is kind of a tricky area to trade, this level here. And honestly, this probably wasn't the best trade to take either because I took that trade at 8:45 and the market opens at 9:30, and that's when all the volume is going to come in. Everybody's waiting for the New York open. So as we see, as 9:30 hit, we had a lot of volume here, a lot of volume. I had my volume candles at the bottom as well. We had a lot of volume at 9:30, as expected. Every morning. My plan for this challenge on what I'm going to do is I got 3 strategies that I want to trade, but I really need to cut it down to one and just stick to one strategy so I can be as consistent as possible. But realistically, I have 3 strategies that I want to trade. I want to trade the 15-minute orb strategy. That's the open and breakout range. After 15 minutes pass, you draw up your highs at that 15 minute and your lows, and then you wait for a candle to break above or below that, and you look for a continuation for a 2-to-1. I'm only going to be risking about $250 per trade with these strategies that I'm taking. And so that's one strategy. The other strategy that I'm looking to take also is one that I looked up, but we'll talk about that. Like we'll talk about that. I'm getting off topic again. But also I don't want to get too big of a win, because with this account as well, like they have a consistency rule. If I make 1,600 today, I will have to, make another 1,600 to actually, pass the account. Like you can't just have one big day and then try to go back to trading a small. So this could come back to bite me. I don't know. I'm gonna just let this play out because I'm tired of thinking about it. And honestly, I feel like this I'm putting too much energy into this account that it's really already blown up. So it just is what it is. I'm gonna close this out for today, man. I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow, hopefully. If not tomorrow, or the day after. I'm still trying to figure out this whole schedule. But yeah, I'm gonna see y'all soon. So I'm closing this out for today. I'm getting back to work, and I'll see y'all.